So you probably noticed when you plugged in your LAN cable to your PS5 that your speeds automatically didn't get faster. That's because it doesn't automatically switch over, unlike most devices. You want to go into settings, then hit network. And then you see here, you'll see that your wired and wireless are connected. But if you view your connection status, well, you only have Wi-Fi available right now. You actually have to manually switch this off. So to do that, you want to go back here in connection status, go to settings, go to set up internet connection, and you'll wait for the list to kind of pop up here of wired and wireless options. Then you want to hit wired LAN 1, click on that, hit connect, and you'll be connected just like that. You want to go in the back here, you want to go into connection status, view connection status, you'll see that you connected the LAN cable. And if you want to do a quick test here, you can. Give you test download speeds and upload speeds, and you'll definitely see here in most cases that your download speeds on wired connection is definitely going to be faster than on wireless, although wireless has improved. And you can check out this video here where I talk about it after I swapped out my PS5. Thanks for watching.